Hi there, my name is Giulio, and today we are going to talk about depth in mixing and in production. In order to understand depth and the concept of depth, I'm going to show you a picture and we'll start from there. So this is a photo of a lake through a lens, and you can see that the focus of the image is at the center and that the other parts of the photo are blurry, and this makes our brain to concentrate just on the center. And this is basically the same thing with music. So we listen to various instruments, drums, vocals, and then we have something which is the main character of the song. Sometimes we try to make everything up front, maybe because we are afraid of choosing which element will be the main guest. Sometimes it's great to have stuff like in this image in the background. And there are various ways to do it. We are going to see three main ways to put any musical element in the background. So this is a very stupid loop, but because it is boring and stupid, it will be a great example for us. We have a simple 808 pattern. The first method, the reverb. Reverb can be used to put stuff in the back, mainly with the dry wet knob. And beware that if you want to use reverb creatively to put stuff in the background, it's very important to not use it in parallel, but to use it directly. So now I'm going to do it in an extreme manner, just for the sake of hearing the effect. Did you hear the difference? As soon as we went up until the 100% wet, the drum kit was going further away. This is the first great tool that we have to put something in the background. If you want a narrower effect, you can also bring down the stereo spread of the reverb like this. Let's proceed to the second method. Second method is by removing the transient. In this case, we are going to focus just on a few elements of this drum loop. How do we remove the transient? By using the envelopes. By changing the amplitude, we can increase the attack time so that the initial transient will be attenuated. Now, let's hear the difference between this version and the one with the transient. This one is much more softer. Let's do the same thing to the snare. let's do the same thing to the bass drum. Can you hear on the snare how it goes far away? With the same exact sounds, just by working on the envelope, we managed to have the toms and the congas as a main element. Now, this envelope method is very, very, very much correlated with the another method of putting stuff in the back, which is perhaps the most simplistic, which is by volume. With just leveling, we can completely change the feeling of something, of an idea. So let's radically change the leveling of this drum kit. The last method of this video is by removing higher frequencies. Let's keep experimenting with an EQ, and in this case I'm going to move the hi-hats in the background even more. Now, as you can hear, they are very bright, but now we are going to filter them. This is the power of depth. We started from a very boring drum kit, and we end up with something like this, which is far more interesting. There are also other ways to put stuff in the back, like delays, chorus, and sample rate reduction, etc., etc. But these were the mains. So stay tuned for more videos.